Imagine driving your car and having an intelligent assistant that understands you like a friend. Today, Google announced a major leap forward. Gemini AI is rolling out to millions of vehicles. Gemini is moving beyond phones and smart home devices, replacing the older Google Assistant in cars with Google built-in. General Motors confirmed that Gemini will become the co-pilot in about 4 million vehicles from 2022 onward, including Cadillac, Chevrolet, Buick, and GMC. So what does driving with Gemini feel like? Picture this. You ask for a highly rated sit-down restaurant with outdoor seating along your route. Gemini finds options on Google Maps, tells you about parking, menus, and dietary preferences, all through natural conversation. Need the heat turned on, directions updated, music recommended, or a quick summary of your messages? Gemini handles it all hands-free, so you can focus on the road. And there's more. Gemini Live is in beta, allowing open-ended conversations. Just say, "Hey Google, let's talk," and you can brainstorm ideas or learn something new while driving. The rollout starts in the US with English support, expanding soon. If you're signed into your Google account in a compatible car, you'll be prompted to upgrade. Gemini AI is redefining what's possible on the move. Everyday commutes, road trips, and errands are becoming smarter, safer, and more personalized. If you're excited about the future of tech in cars, stay tuned. Like and subscribe for more insights. This is just the beginning.